The Light Keeper by Felicity Ray Self. The sand, the sea, the sky, each gray competes to be the bleakest sight to me in this, the diminishing light. How can I deny the earth her darkness as these last days creep on towards night? All of creation groans, and then the fog rolls in on a wet blanket, and I fear that even the watertight seagulls must brace for life's storm ahead. Even they are tempted to despair as they see the pink tinge on the horizon and as they realize their sun is slipping away at the end of day. And then the sky closes its eye, gray, kissing gray, kissing gray. But listen to the whir of the white surf as the constantness of the waves obey God's command to continue their dance to and fro for 1,000,000 days, ticking away in a predictable progression, licking away with clockwork obsession the shoreline. Dusk falls on the beach, and yet creation stays awake and awaits through the night, through the breath, through our mother's heartbeat. The ocean is patient, as only oceans can be, and yet even the seas look up expectantly at the heavens' expanse, and the heavens beam moonlight down impatiently. The stars, the host of heaven, surround the earth, God's footstool, on their bended knees. Yes, even the brightest stars kneel down and twinkle, my Lord, my love, my King, for thee. And with each new day on this desperately lonely beach, the dullness, the coolness, the mistiness of it steals our breath away. But to us, each breath belongs not anyway, nor is the light you give us that returns across your meridian each night, nor is this beguiling light ours to keep. For with a whoosh and a whir and gales and a gush, a frigid sea breeze, you sweep the sand away into a new pattern, piling up our cares, piling up our prayers into a newly formed mountain. And this we climb, these dooms to reach closer to you, our Father. And when the light begins to hide and run away in pinks and reds and purple hues to the horizon, we walk out onto the water, bravely, boldly on the ocean waves. Fearlessly we walk to you, a miracle, and ask, are these our end? Are these our final days as we watch the sun slipping away? And you answer only with a wave of your mighty hand and with the flash of a lighthouse beacon, tracing a warning beam, a single ray of light. Now your birds might hunker down, each raven, each crow, each sparrow. They might be surprised anew by each tomorrow, shocked awake by every new dawn's light. They are singing songs of gratitude, and yet I pity them, for I imagine their fears and fright and cold hiding in places throughout the moonlit night. As for me, though, I am the keeper of your light, so therefore I fear no gray, no storm, no mist, no night, for I carry within myself your unextinguishable light. And though I know that this temporary sun will go down for a final blaze one last time on this old world before you, my Lord, Yeshua, return in might, I cannot weep for all that's lost. And I find I must forgive this world for lying. I must forgive the false light. I must forgive this world for dying. For I cannot go with her into her darkness and her doom. I cannot enter into her certain gloom. I cannot embrace her unforgiving night, because I am your lighthouse and the keeper of your eternal light.